Hi, this is David Owen Hastings. Welcome back into my studio. I'm a modern quilter, graphic designer, and a stitched paper artist, and I'm here to tell you about two new workshops that I've just listed that are online and open for anyone to join me for. They are through Mancuso Show Management and their wonderful QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse online series. This is the 14th one happening in March 2026. I'm teaching two workshops. The first one is on March 27th. It's called Stitched Paper Collage. And this is a fun half-day workshop where you will learn how to stitch paper with your sewing machine into some really wonderful modern abstract collages. And we're going to have a blast stitching paper together. The second one is called Mini Quilt with Texture. And this is a brand new workshop that I'm just now teaching. It's on March 28th, 2026. And you will learn my technique for adding lots of surface design and both stitched and sewn embellishment. So we'll do some hand stitching and some machine stitching, adding on some extra textures for wonderful surface design, and you'll enjoy Mini Quilt with Texture as well. So to sign up for these two workshops, simply go to QuiltFest.com. You can look for QuiltFest Virtual Schoolhouse online number 14 and find my name under the instructors, and you'll get links to both of the two workshops I've mentioned here. Also, if you look below this video on YouTube, you will see direct links so you can click on those and sign up right away. So I hope you'll join me in March of 2026 for these wonderful online workshops. It's a great chance to play with something new, learn some new ideas, and have some fun along the way. See you then.